Hi, everyone. My name is Sarah Da Silva. Um, Good to see a lot of familiar names and faces from Social Work 503. To answer Professor Myrick's question as to why I am pursuing my MSW now at this point in my life, I've actually wanted to pursue it for several years now, but something kind of always got in the way. And I just felt like this was the right time in my life to do it. I got a lot of negative feedback about it because I recently got a promotion at my job as a supervisor, and I also just gave birth to my second daughter. So a lot of people were saying that it's, too much right now. But I just felt like it's the right time. And I really am excited to see where it leads me in my career in social work. I'm really looking forward to getting as much information and knowledge as I can to be the best social worker that I can be. And I really am passionate about trauma-informed work and just the great change that I believe that can make. I look forward to hearing everyone else's icebreaker videos. And that's it. Thank you.